Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. I am Neha Rajvanshi and I welcome you all in our today's class, that is English class of class 9th. So students, in today's video we will start reading with our next chapter from the book Beehive. Okay, so this is chapter number 5 and the name of the chapter is The Snake and the Mirror. Okay, so this is a very interesting story and this story is written by Mr. Waiko Muhammad Bashir. Okay, so he is the writer of this story and he wrote this story originally in Malayalam language, okay, but it was translated into English by Mr. V. Abdullah. Okay, so this is very interesting, very funny story. Okay, so let's start. Before you read, so before starting reading the story, let's get some idea about the story. Do you like to look at yourself in the mirror? Okay, so we are having this question in front of us. So the question is that do you really like to look at yourself in the mirror? Okay, and I am very much sure that maximum of you are having the answer as a yes. Okay, because it is a human tendency, it is a human nature that whenever there is a mirror in front of us, so हम उस mirror में अपने आप को देखते हैं, we adore ourselves. Okay, what do you think about at such times? Okay, so the next question is that whenever you look in the mirror, okay, so what thoughts are there in your mind? Clear? Have you ever seen a dog, a cat or a bird look into the mirror? Okay, so the next question is that till now we were discussing about the human tendency, about the human nature, okay, but now the question is that have you ever seen a dog, a cat or a bird? It means humans, so mirror में देखते हैं अपने आप को बार बार, बट जो एनिमल्स होते हैं, ओके, क्या उनमें भी ये नेचर होता है किस चीज का? टू लुक इनटू अ मिरर. ओके, व्हाट डू यू थिंक इट सीज? ओके, और अगर आपने कभी देखा है कि कोई डॉग है, कोई कैट है या फिर कोई बर्ड है, ओके, वो भी अपने आप को मिरर में देख रहे हैं, अपना रिफ्लेक्शन देख रहे हैं, तो उस समय उनके माइंड में क्या चलता है, वो क्या सोचते हैं, इस बारे में आपको क्या लगता है? ओके, now read this humorous story about a doctor, a snake and a mirror. Okay, so now you all must be thinking that why there are so much questions. Okay, so now read this humorous story. Okay, so read this humorous, this funny story, and this story is about a doctor, a snake and a mirror. Okay, and you will get all your answers. Okay, so let's start reading the story. Has a snake ever coiled itself round any part of your body? A full-blooded cobra. All of us fell silent. Okay, so story is all again starting with a question. So the question is that has a snake ever coiled itself? So what is coiled? Coiled means to cover with a round shape. Okay, so in this picture we can also see ये जो position होती है snake की, जिसमें वो अपनी body को इस तरह से round and round twist कर लेता है. So this position or this posture is known as a coiled. Okay, so someone asked this question कि क्या कभी snake ने आपके किसी भी body part पे अपने आप को इस तरह से coil किया है? Okay, a full blooded cobra. Okay, और वो snake भी कैसा है? A full blooded cobra. Okay, all of us fell silent. Okay, so when this question was there, so everyone was just silent, right? The question came from the homeopath. Okay, so who asked this question? This question came from the homeopath. Okay, so as we have read in the beginning of the chapter that there is one doctor in the story. Okay, so this is the doctor, he is a homeopathy doctor. Okay, so he is a homeopath and he asked this question. Okay, कि क्या आपके साथ कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि कोई स्नेक आपके किसी बॉडी पार्ट पे आ गया है और उसने अपने आप को इस तरह से कॉइल कर लिया है? ओके, द टॉपिक केम अप व्हेन वी वर डिस्कसिंग स्नेक्स. ओके, सो नाउ द नरेटर इज सेइंग कि ये टॉपिक कहाँ से आया, उन डॉक्टर ने क्वेश्चन क्यों पूछा? बिकॉज वहाँ कुछ लोग बैठे हुए थे एंड दे वर डिस्कसिंग समथिंग एंड दे वर डिस्कसिंग स्नेक्स. ओके, स्नेक्स पे बातें चल रही थी. सो दिस डॉक्टर ही आस्क्ड दिस क्वेश्चन टू एवरीवन. ओके, एंड आफ्टर दिस क्वेश्चन everyone was silent. Okay, we listened attentively as the doctor continued with his tale. Okay, so now the narrator is saying that when everyone was silent, so after that the doctor, the homeopath doctor, he continued his tale, his own story. Okay, and everyone was listening quite attentively. Okay, कोई बिल्कुल कुछ भी नहीं बोल रहा था, पूरे attention के साथ, पूरे focus के साथ everyone was listening to this story. Okay, और अब जो doctor है he is narrating his story. Okay, so let's read. It was a hot summer night about 10 o'clock. Okay, so now the doctor, he is saying that it was a hot summer night. Okay, so it was summer season and it was night time and the time was about 10 o'clock. Okay, I had my meal at the restaurant and returned to my room. Okay, next the doctor, he is saying that that night he had his meal, he had his dinner at one of the restaurant and after that he returned to his room. Okay, I heard a noise from above as I opened the door. Okay, and when he was opening the lock, when he was opening the door, at that time he heard a noise. Okay, from above. Okay, so room के ऊपर की साइड से कुछ आवाज उनको आती है when he was opening the door, when he was opening the lock. Okay, the sound was a familiar one. So now that doctor is saying that the sound that he heard, so that sound was a familiar one. He was very much used to that sound. One could say that the rats and I shared the room, and that time the doctor, he thought that that sound of the rats, and now he is saying that in that room there were so many rats that one could say this thing that the doctor and the rats, they shared the room. Okay, so now the doctor is saying that when he opened the door there was some noise, some sound was there, and the doctor, he thought that that sound is made by the rats because there were so many rats in the room and every time all the rats, they used to make such sound. So this time also this doctor thought that rats are there and they are making the sound. I took out my box of matches and lighted the kerosene lamp on the table, and when the doctor is inside the room, so then he took out the box of the matches and then he lighted the kerosene lamp that was there on the table. So in this picture, students, you can see this is the kerosene lamp. So this kind of lamp was there and the doctor, he lighted this kind of kerosene lamp. The house was not electrified. So the reason that why he lighted the lamp, so the reason was that the house was not electrified, there was no electricity in the house. It was a small rented room, and this room in which the doctor was living, it was a very small room and it was a rented one. It means it was not his property, but he was paying the rent to live in there in that room. Okay, so we can see the financial condition of the doctor because he was living in a very small room and even electricity is not there, and in that room there are so many rats. I had just set up medical practice and my earnings were mere. So now the doctor is explaining that why he was living in such conditions, why he was living in that room that was not even electrified. So he is saying that he just had set up medical practice. उन्होंने अभी medical practice अपनी start की थी, and because of this reason his earnings were meager. So what is meager? Meager means something that is very small in quantity. So the doctor is saying that at that time he just started his medical practice and he was not earning well, his earning was very limited, right? So this was the reason he was living in such conditions. He was living in a very small room, a very small rented room that was not electrified, and that room was full of rats. Okay, I had about 60 rupees in my suitcase. Okay, so next the doctor, he is saying that at that time he was having almost 60 rupees in his suitcase along with some shirts and dhotis. I also possessed one solitary black coat which I was then wearing. Okay, और उनका जो entire possession था, what was that? So he is explaining and he is saying that he was having 60 rupees and along with some shirts and dhotis. Okay, so जो उनके entire जो amount उनके पास था, that was almost 60 rupees. Okay, and he was having some clothes and he was having some shirts and dhotis. Okay, and he also possessed one solitary black coat. Okay, so what is solitary? Solitary means single. Okay, so he was having only one black coat and he was wearing that black coat at that time. Okay, I took off my black coat, white shirt and not so white vest and hung them up. Okay, now after entering into the room, the doctor, he just took off his black coat. Okay, then he took off his white shirt and after that he took off his not so white vest. Okay, so in this picture we can see this is vest. Okay, and he is saying that his vest was not so white. What it means? It means वो बहुत ज़्यादा पुराना हो गया था, बहुत ज़्यादा dirty हो गया था, right? And now it was not so white, now it was quite a yellowish in color. Okay, so बहुत पुराना, बहुत dirty हो गया था, and then he just hung them up. Okay, I opened the two windows in the room. Okay, after that what did he do? He just opened the two windows that were there in the room. Okay, it was an outer room with one wall facing the open yard. Now the doctor, he is describing the room. Okay, he is giving the description in the about the room in which he was living. Okay, so he is saying that it was an outer room. Okay, with one wall facing the open yard. Okay, so वो जो पूरा घर था उस घर का ये आउटर रूम था और उस रूम की जो वन वॉल थी दैट वाज फेसिंग द ओपन यार्ड. ओके, इट हैड अ टाइल्ड रूफ विथ लॉन्ग सपोर्टिंग गैबल्स दैट रेस्टेड ऑन द बीम ओवर द वॉल. ओके, एंड द रूम इट वाज हैविंग अ टाइल्ड रूफ. ओके, सो इन दिस पिक्चर वी कैन सी दिस इज अ टाइल्ड रूफ. ओके, सो ये जो टाइल होती हैं रेक्टेंगुलर शेप की, इस तरह की टाइल यानी उस रूम की रूफ पे लगी हुई थी. एंड देयर वाज वन सपोर्टिंग गैबल्स. ओके, सो व्हाट इज गैबल्स? Gables is the upper part of a wall below a sloping roof. Okay, so in this picture we can see this is gables. Okay, so this is the roof. Okay, or that is made with tiles and this is gables. Clear? That rested on the beam over the wall. और ये जो गैबल्स था ओके, ये भी बीम के ऊपर बीम के सपोर्ट से वहाँ पे रखा गया था. देयर वॉज नो सीलिंग. ओके, इन दैट रूम देयर वॉज नो सीलिंग. ओके, देयर वॉज अ रेगुलर ट्रैफिक ऑफ रैट्स टू एंड फ्रॉम द बीम. ओके, एंड बिकॉज इन दैट रूम देयर वॉज नो सीलिंग दैट वॉज द रीजन देयर वर सो मैनी रैट्स इन द रूम. बिकॉज जो रैट्स हैं वो उस बीम में जो जगह थी वहाँ से बार बार रूम में अंदर आते थे और बाहर जाते थे इतना इजीली. ओके, सो दिस वाज द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द रूम इन विच द डॉक्टर ही वाज लिविंग एट दैट टाइम. ओके, I made my bed and pulled it close to the wall. Okay, so now doctor, he just made his bed. Okay, and then he pulled it close to the wall. Okay, I lay down but I could not sleep. Okay, after that he just lie down on the bed but he was not sleepy, he was not having any sleep. Okay, I got up and went out to the veranda for a little air but the wind god seemed to have taken time off. Okay, so when the doctor, he was not at all sleepy, so he just got up and then he went out to the veranda. Why? Because he wanted to have some little air. Okay, but when he went out in the veranda, then he found out that there was no wind. Okay, so the doctor, he is saying that the wind god seemed to have taken time off. Okay, so ऐसा लग रहा था कि जो wind god है right, उन्होंने time off ले रखा है. बिल्कुल भी wind नहीं चल रही थी, बिल्कुल भी fresh air बाहर इनको वरांडा में नहीं मिली. ओके, I went back into the room and sat down on the chair. Okay, so in the veranda there was no wind, there was no fresh air, so he came back inside. Okay, and then he went back into the room and he sat down on the chair. Okay, so he was not at all sleepy. Okay, so first of all he was lying on the bed but he was not feeling any kind of sleep, so he just went out for some fresh air. Okay, but the wind was not there, so he came back. Okay, and now he just sat on the chair that was there in the room. Okay, I opened the box beneath the table and took out a book and the name of the book is the Materia Medica. Okay, so now he was just using his time. Okay, so he just opened the box that was there beneath the table and from the box he put out a book. Okay, and the name of the book is the Materia Medica. Okay, so in this picture we can say this is the book Materia Medica of homeopathic medicines. Okay, so he is a homeopath doctor, so he started reading this book that is about homeopathic medicines. Okay, I opened it at the table on which stood the lamp and a large mirror. A small comb lay beside the mirror. Okay, so when he took out the book, okay, then he opened it at the table on which stood the lamp. Okay, so उनकी चेयर के पास में एक टेबल थी, उस टेबल पे उन्होंने उस बुक को रखा, उन्होंने बुक को ओपन किया और उस टेबल पे क्या था? There was the lamp. Okay, so we have read earlier about this kerosene lamp and on that table there was a large mirror. Okay, and a small comb was also there. Okay, beside the mirror. Okay, so इस सारा सामान उस टेबल पे रखा हुआ था. One lamp was there, one big mirror was there and one small comb was there. Okay, one feels tempted to look into a mirror when it is near one. Okay, so now the doctor, he is saying that he is discussing about the human nature, and he is saying that everyone feels tempted to look into a mirror when it is near one. Okay, so ये एक बहुत ही नॉर्मल सी बात है कि जब कभी भी हमारे आसपास मिरर होता है, सो वी आर जस्ट टेम्पटेड टू लुक इनटू द मिरर. ओके, आई टुक अ लुक. ओके, सो डॉक्टर के साथ भी ऐसा होता है, वो भी अपने आप को मिरर में देखते हैं. इन दोज डेज आई वॉज अ ग्रेट एडमायरर ऑफ ब्यूटी एंड आई बिलीव्ड इन मेकिंग माई सेल्फ लुक हैंडसम. ओके, सो नाउ द डॉक्टर ही इज सेइंग दैट एट दैट टाइम ही वॉज अ ग्रेट एडमायरर ऑफ ब्यूटी. ओके, सो वो हमेशा ब्यूटी को, अच्छी चीज़ों को एडमायर किया करते थे, एंड ही बिलीव्ड इन मेकिंग हिमसेल्फ लुक हैंडसम. ओके, और वो अपने आप को भी और ज़्यादा हैंडसम बनाना चाहते थे. ओके, आई वॉज अनमैरिड एंड आई वॉज अ डॉक्टर. ओके, सो एट दैट टाइम द डॉक्टर ही वॉज अनमैरिड वन एंड बाय प्रोफेशन ही वॉज अ डॉक्टर. ओके, सो बीइंग अ डॉक्टर, ये जो बात है ये उनके लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है कि वो एक डॉक्टर थे. ओके, I felt I had to make my presence felt. Okay, so when the doctor he was looking into the mirror, so at that time he was having this feeling that he had to make his presence felt. Okay, so चाहते थे कि वो और हैंडसम बने और स्मार्ट बने, ताकि वो जहाँ कहीं भी जाएं, सो उनकी जो प्रेजेंस है वो हर कोई फील करे. ओके, हर कोई उनकी प्रेजेंस से अट्रैक्ट हो जाए, हर कोई उनकी तरफ उनको नोटिस करे, उनकी तरफ देखे. I picked up the comb and ran it through my hair and adjusted the parting so that it looked straight and neat. Okay, so after having this feeling in his mind, the doctor he just picked up the comb. Okay, so the comb that was there on the table, so he picked up the comb and then he ran the comb through his hair. Okay, and then he adjusted the parting so that it looked straight and neat. Okay, so hair की जो parting होती जो partition होता है, वो उसमें से उस comb को यूज़ करते हैं और उस partition को और भी straight और भी नीट वो बना लेते हैं. ओके, again I heard that sound from above. Okay, so after that one more time he heard the same sound. Okay, जो उनको कब आई थी, when he was opening the door. Okay, उनको लगा था कि ये वही familiar sound है, वही rats की sound है. So one more time he heard the same sound and again वो बिल्कुल भी ध्यान नहीं देते हैं. He didn't pay any attention because उनको यही लगता है कि ये वही rats की sound है जो कि जनरली आती रहती है. ओके, I took a close look at my face in the mirror. Okay, so now the doctor he was very much busy with the mirror. Okay, so now he was having a close look at my face in the mirror. Okay, I made an important decision. Okay, so when the doctor he was looking in the mirror. Okay, and at that time he made very important decision. So what was the decision? I would shave daily and grow a thin mustache to look more handsome. Okay, so what was the decision that he made at that time? He decided that he would shave daily. Okay, and now he will grow a thin mustache. Why? To look more handsome. Okay, I was after all a bachelor and a doctor, and why he wanted to look more handsome, more smart? Because he is saying that he was a bachelor. What is bachelor? Bachelor means unmarried person and he was a doctor. Okay, so he is saying एक डॉक्टर को स्मार्ट दिखना चाहिए, हैंडसम दिखना चाहिए, और वो तो अभी बैचलर है, अनमैरिड है, तो उसे तो और स्मार्ट और हैंडसम दिखना चाहिए. ओके, सो ही डिसाइडेड दैट ही विल शेव डेली एंड ही विल ग्रो अ थिन मुस्टैच, बिकॉज वो जो लुक होगा दैट लुक विल मेक हिम मोर स्मार्ट, मोर हैंडसम. ओके, I looked into the mirror and smiled. Okay, so when the doctor he was having this decision, after that he looked into the mirror one more time and he smiled. Okay, it was an attractive smile, and when he smiled, when he saw his own smile, then he realized that he is having very attractive smile. Okay, very fascinating smile. I made another earth shaking decision. Okay, so when the doctor he saw his own smile, he saw his own attractive smile, so after that he made one more decision. Okay, and it was an earth shaking decision. Again it means it was very important decision. Okay, और ये जो word, ये जो phrase use की गई है writer ने, earth shaking. Okay, so he used such phrases to make this story more and more humorous, more and more funny. Okay, I would always keep that attractive smile on my face to look more handsome. Okay, so what is the second decision that the doctor made? Now he decided that always he will keep that attractive smile on his face. Okay, why? Just to look more handsome. Okay, I was after all a bachelor and a doctor too on top of it. Okay, and again, why he wanted to look more handsome, more smart? Because he was a bachelor, and the most important thing, he was a doctor. Okay, again came that noise from above. Okay, so now when he made this second decision, then one more time, and this is the third time. Okay, then he heard the same sound from the above. Okay, and again he was having the same feeling that rats are there, they are making the sound. Okay, I got up, paced up and down the room. Okay, so now the doctor, he was not sleepy and now he is not interested in reading the book, so he just got up and he paced. He started walking, okay, up and down in the room. Clear? Then another lovely thought struck me, I would marry. Okay, so now when he was just walking in the room, then one more thought was there in his mind. Okay, and now what was the thought? Now he was thinking that he would marry. Okay, I would get married to a woman doctor who had plenty of money and a good medical practice. Okay, so now he is thinking about his marriage. Okay, so he is thinking that very soon he will get married, and he is saying that कि वो जिससे marriage करेगा जिस woman से, that should be a woman doctor. Okay, and who had plenty of money and a very good medical practice. Okay, so he is having this plan कि वो एक woman doctor से ही शादी करेगा, एक ऐसी डॉक्टर who is having a plenty of money, a lot of money. Okay, and who is having a very good medical practice. Clear? She had to be fat for a valid reason. Okay, so her future wife, she should be a doctor, she should be very rich, and she should be having a very good practice. But one more thought is there in his mind, that is she should be very fat. Okay, and that for a very valid reason. Okay, so कोई भी अपनी वाइफ को एक फैट लेडी के रूप में इमेजिन कर रहा है, दिस इज समथिंग क्वाइट अनयूजुअल. ओके, सो व्हाई दिस डॉक्टर ही वांटेड his future wife to be a fat one? Let's see. And what valid reason he is having? Let's see. If I made some silly mistake and needed to run away, she should not be able to run after me and catch me. Okay, so what valid reason the doctor is having for a fat wife? So he is saying that if he made some silly mistakes. Okay, so he is saying that after marriage, अगर वो कभी कोई silly mistake कर देता है, कभी कोई गलती कर देता है, and he needed to run away. Okay, so ऐसे में अगर उसकी wife fat होगी, so she should not be able to run after him and catch him. Okay, so this is his reason. Okay, the reason that he wanted to have a fat wife. Okay, so he just wanted to have a fat wife because अगर वो कोई mistake कर दे और वहाँ से भाग रहा है, तो उसकी fat wife उसको follow नहीं कर पाएगी, उसको catch नहीं कर पाएगी और वो easily वहाँ से escape हो जाएगा. Okay, with such thoughts in my mind, I resumed my seat in the chair in front of the table. Okay, so now when he was walking, so he was having all these thoughts in his mind. Okay, so now the doctor is saying that with all these thoughts in my mind, finally he resumed his seat. Okay, so what is resume? Resume means to take again. Okay, so one more time he just sat on the chair that was there in front of the table. Okay, there were no more sounds from above. ओके, सो जो साउंड आ रही थी, जो कि अभी तक 3 बार आ चुकी थी, लेकिन अब वो ऊपर से आवाज नहीं आ रही थी. सडनली देयर केम अ डल थर्ड एज इफ अ रबर ट्यूब हैड फॉलन टू द ग्राउंड. ओके, सो दिस टाइम व्हाट साउंड वाज देयर? नाउ देयर वाज अ डल थर्ड साउंड. ओके, एज इफ अ रबर ट्यूब हैड फॉलन टू द ग्राउंड. जैसे कि कोई रबर की ट्यूब होती है, वो ग्राउंड पे गिरने से जो आवाज आती है, इस तरह की थर्ड की साउंड थी वहाँ पे. ओके, श्योरली नथिंग टू वरी अबाउट. And this time also the doctor was not at all worried about the sound. Okay, even so I thought I would turn around and take a look. Okay, so he was not at all worried, but he thought that उनको एक बार देखना तो चाहिए कि क्या है, किसकी आवाज आ रही है. No sooner had I turned than a fat snake wriggled over the back of the chair and landed on my shoulder. So now the doctor is saying that as soon as he turned to see that what is there, then a fat snake wriggled crawled over the back of the chair and landed on my shoulder. Okay, so what is wriggled? Wriggled means to crawl. Okay, so वो आवाज़ किसकी थी? One fat snake was there. Okay, और अभी तक भी जो आवाज़ आ रही थी वो आवाज़ भी ये snake कर रहा था. He was making all the sounds and now he just fall down on the ground. Okay, और जैसे ही डॉक्टर when he turned back to see that what is there, then this fat snake he just crawled over the back of the chair and then he landed on the doctor's shoulder. Okay, so now we can imagine one fat snake is there. और कहाँ पर है वो snake? डॉक्टर के shoulder पे, on the shoulder of the doctor. Okay, the snake's landing on me and my turning was simultaneous. Okay, so now the doctor is saying कि वो जो snake की landing थी, okay, जो snake उनके shoulder पे आके land हो गया था, जो landing थी snake की, और जो डॉक्टर ने turn होके देखा था, okay, ये दोनों ही चीज़ें जो थी they are simultaneous. Okay, so what is simultaneous? Simultaneous means at the same time. Okay, so both the things they happen at the same time, right? जैसे ही डॉक्टर टर्न करते हैं, ये जो स्नेक था जो कि ग्राउंड पे गिरा था, ये क्रॉल करके आता है एंड इट लैंडेड ऑन द शोल्डर्स ऑफ द डॉक्टर. Okay, so now the doctor he is in a very difficult situation. One fat snake is there on his shoulder. Okay, so now what will he do? Okay, how will he escape from this situation? We will come to know when we will continue the chapter. Okay, so see you in the next video. Thank you.